Hi, how you doing? And welcome to the Vox Singing Academy's Dandenong studio welcome video. So we're here at the front of the Dandenong studio. We're located at 15A King George Parade. Down the end of King George Parade here for about 10 minutes is Eumemmerring Station. So if you walk that way, we're 10 minutes away from Eumemmerring Station. And north of King George Parade are the buses there, so that's where the buses are. Come on through, I'll give you a little bit of a tour. Okay, so this is the waiting room. This is where you would wait. We have numerous high-profile singers that have got major label recording contracts or performance contracts up on the wall here as well too. So this is where you would wait. This is Studio 1. This is our main studio here as well too. So this is one of our biggest studios. We have a little mini stage so our performers can get up on stage and get used to the stage. But this is pretty much the main studio here. Lots of great work gets done here, so it's a really great studio. And yeah, this is the main studio, and I'll just show you where the toilet is in case you need to use the toilet. In case you're a little bit nervous, you come down the back here, and here's the toilet here. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.